Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. Today we are not here to do any practical or any verbal work related to our field. Today we have come for a normal discussion on online earning. I won't take up much of your time, just let's talk to the point. As we all know that we are facing the we are facing the rising rate of unemployment and inflation in our daily life, and it is increasing day by day. And we want an immediate solution of it in the shape of physical job. And even if we get a physical job, is that the physical job salary is necessary for our basic needs? Our basic needs are going increase day by day, and uh, our salary is decreasing day by day as the comparison of our needs, even our basic needs. On the other hand, uh, we can clearly see that the digital world is growing day by day massively and rapidly. We know the importance of AI, digital world, online learning, online business. We know each and everything about them, but we are not changing ourselves. We are not generating our active and passive income from it. Here is a question. Are you really satisfied by your current financial situation? The even financially situation, yes, financial situation, financial status, your current salary. No, the answer is definitely no. Then why we are not changing ourselves? Why don't we change with the changing world? We know very well that today there is no living without entering the digital world. Digital world is uh, uh, digital world is uh, are like pa- going to make a part of our life. No, it is now a part of our life. Yes, this is a part of our life. Okay, let's do a comparison. If we join a job, physical job, if we join a physical job, we require to normally 2 to 3 months to learn that job, to be a master in that job, and the salaries remains the same. Maybe it will increase or your growth and progress will increase, but there are few chances. But on the other hand, we see that there are n- normally required 2 to 3 months to learn a skill as well. I agree with you that when we're learning a skill, when we are be a part of a skill or be a part of digital world, when you join a any social media account or when you build a website, you normally require 2 to 3 months, even 3 to 6 months, a period of time, 3 to 6 months to earn to generate an income. I am agreeing with you in this, but you can comparison the salary or income difference. Salary remains same, even 6 months, even for a year. But when you generate an income from online work, it will increase day by day. Here, we normally see there is no one or two examples. There are too many examples around us. Even we grow, we see them. We want to be like them, but we are afraid of losing. We are afraid of failing. We are afraid of investing our time, our money, our hard work, our patience, because online work required all of this. Patience, first of all, patience, consistency, hard work, uh, work with hard, even hard work without any income, without any expectations. But when you discover one way, when you generate your first income, then there is no way of stopping your progress, your growth. Earning opportunities increase then, one after the other, new door after new. And then the paths to reach the destination become smoother. Your growth increase day by day. Your abilities, your learning polished day by day, and you enjoy that. Here is the point that if you are learning the digital skill, any skill, just learn one skill at a time. Just learn one skill at a time, and that skill will be according to your interest, your passion. If you are not interesting in that skill, it won't work. It will never work. It will not be going to work for you. You will avoid uh, in a very short of time. So first of all, identify your skills with the interest. If you are going to apply your interest in your passion, in your income, in your job, then it will be very smooth way. It will be, you will be happy to do your work. You will be happy to invest, whether your money, whether your patience, whether your hard work, whether your time. You will be happy for that. You will enjoy your work. You will be ready to learn skills and new skills day by day, every day. You will achieve new paths. You will learn new skills in that specific skill, and you will be very satisfied at the end of that, on your first income. So nowadays we have to recognize the importance of online learning, the importance of digital skills. Come on, every kind of investment will be useful to you. No, your investment will never be waste. Uh, So don't waste this time. Don't waste your opportunities. Grab every opportunity. Don't waste your free time just scrolling social media, just commenting, just backbiting. No, identify your talent and interest. Spend time on them and improve them, polish them, then become a part of the never ending journey. This journey is very beautiful. You will enjoy it. You will, when you will step in it, uh, 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 it's uh, it's a craving. You will crave for more and more learning. And there is an other important thing is that when you learn something in any field, when you become a master of any field, never back down from teaching. Never avoid anyone's help. Invest one hand in learning, and with the other hand increase your knowledge and experience by teaching someone who is learning, who is expecting to learn from you, who is seeing from you to be a person like you. Be an example for them. Be a good example for them in your abilities, in your field, and in your kindness. And it is a fact that students also teach the teachers. Life is all the process of learning. If we consider ourselves that we become master in our skill, there is no more there is no more need to learn anything else. No, there is a hidden part of every field that we need to discover. Discover that part by teaching others. Teaching will help you in your learning, in your growth, in your progress, in every part, whether it is your any life part, whether it is your field or practical work. So, join digital work, join online learning, and make yourself better and increase your earning.